Hey guys, AU-GM30 here, welcome back to another video. We're streaming on Twitch TV/AU-GM30 every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday at 6 PM and we're uploading on YouTube every Tuesday at 9 PM GMT+1 or PST-7. We also have a Discord, a beautiful Discord community with over 50 members. If you wanna join us and chat, feel free, the link will be in the description. And also we have a beautiful merch store with custom cartoonish designs, and there are a lot of discounts going on, so check out the link down in the description. Thanks Maono to reaching out to me. So today we have the opportunity to test the AU-GM30 gooseneck mic. This video we're gonna unbox, review, go through the specifications and test the microphone's quality. So before we go any further and unbox this beautiful mic, just to mention that outside you can see the specification on the back, some information on the sides. This microphone is specialized for recording, streaming or podcasting, especially for podcasting, but if you're for gaming, but we're gonna go through the details. So it's quite simple to open it up.
Later.
You also get some instructions with the specifications on how to set it up, also what the package includes. Let's take out the mic. Don't try to eat or give it to your children or to your dog. No. And here's our mic, quite flexible with good neck. We have that 5.5 feet cable which is USB, which makes it plug and play. Also we've got some rubber on the bottom, so that makes sure that the mic is not gonna slip out of your desktop. Also we have an extra audio input which gives you the opportunity to save some space on your setup by inserting your headset here instead of your computer if you're using a laptop, or you can have a double headset with your computer by this little input. Then we have this beautiful small switch which we're gonna see soon. Simply you can turn on or off your LED lights on your microphone. Then we have our main knob, which if you press you're gonna mute the mic and you can turn it around to increase or decrease the volume. As you can see, we just plugged our mic, it's working instantly. If it's not working, something is wrong obviously. Here's the LED, so we got on the sides and one on the middle, which is the Maono logo. If you want to turn them off for any reason to look more professional or something, if you're in an interview or doing a podcast and you don't want the LED, you can just switch it off or just switch it on. A small detail, if you're gonna mute your mic, you will see that my Maono logo turns red. If it's working normally, it will be light blue. Alright, after we saw like the mic a little tiny bit outside, we're gonna go through the specification with some more details and then test the quality sound on Audacity, which is a professional program for sound. But before we do that, make sure to check the links down below in the description for all the links for the item, for Maono official site, and also our beautiful social media, including our Discord and our merch store. Here we are, right now we're using our beautiful gooseneck mic. A few things before we go to the specification. We said that before as well. I said that multiple times, but I'm trying not to forget. I'm trying to cover everything as much as possible. So please make sure that you're using the front side of the mic and it's not very close because you're gonna sound like that, or it's not very far away because it's gonna barely pick up your voice. Make sure you have like a fair distance between you and your mic. Just to mention that this mic is omnidirectional, which means there's like something like 180 degrees. It's picking up this side up here, basically where the mic is facing. This mic is also good for pranks. The reason I'm saying that is because you can go like 360 degrees, right? As it's a goose, you can bend it as much as you want. And the reason I'm saying for pranks is because if you can put it like that as an example, you can hide it in a base or anywhere, wanna show you that gives you a lot of opportunities. However, there's this big disadvantage that because of the nature of this mic as a gooseneck mic, there's no stand, and also there's no pop filter. However, what you can do is you can get an extend and pop filter and get it on the desk and put it in front of it, or a small muff comes in contact with your desk directly without a mount or anything. So just mind that if you're gonna hit the desk, the noise is gonna go straight to the mic. That's the reason I wouldn't really recommend it for gaming. If you have like a clicky keyboard like that, we're gonna see that soon with a sound quality test. But this mic will be beautiful for podcasting or recording or YouTube videos in general. Also, I would highly recommend to turn the gain into half, so because if you have it on the maximum, it's gonna pick up a lot of noise of your room. And finally, let's get to the specifications. I have an omnidirectional polar pattern. The sensitivity is on minus 32 decibel plus or minus 3 decibel. The maximum input SPL is on 110 decibel. Maximum recording resolution, which is really important, is on 96 kHz with 24 bits. So we have a big tick because of the power indicator, which is displayed with the LED. You can mute your mic by pressing the knob, which gonna turn the Maono logo into red from light blue. The cable's jack is a 3.5mm and the cable is on 5.5 foot. The total weight of the gooseneck mic is 260 grams, which comes with 1 year warranty and free return in case of faulty item. Alrighty, so let's go test our mic's sound quality with Audacity. Hey guys, AU-GM30 here, how's it going? This sounds, if we get closer, this is how it sounds. Okay, so let's go and hear how to be for gaming with a mouse and a keyboard. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below what do you think of this product. If you like it, what do you think of the quality? If you would buy it, of course. Leave a like if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to join our pure family. And